Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we will be discussing on a few keynotes about function prototypes. Our first point is that always include function prototypes for the functions you define or use in your program to help prevent compilation errors or warnings. As you can see here, I have this function maximum, and in here I have defined the function prototype. It's a very good practice to always include the function prototype before invoking or calling the function. Now, if I had not included this function prototype, what's going to happen is that I'm going to get an error. You can see here I got an error from the compiler. Depending on the compiler, you might get an error or warning, or totally the program might not compile at all. Depends on how the compiler works. Now, the second keynote that we want to discuss about is that a function prototype placed outside of any function definition, it will apply to the whole program. So for example, we have this function prototype and it's not inside any other function. It is here outside of the function on its own in the program. And the good thing about this prototype is that wherever I call the maximum function, whether inside of the main function or whether inside of any other functions that you might have beside main, this prototype will work for all of them. But if I had moved this prototype inside of the main function, then only it will work for the main function, and if there was any other functions outside of main function, it will not work for that. And for that, you need to either include the prototype inside the definition of the function, or move the function prototype outside of any function so that it applies to all of your functions in your program. And that's it for this episode. I hope to see you in the coming episodes.